Hello everyone, I'd like to quickly do a review of these LED garage lights. This specific product comes in two packs, so it's really useful. I packed the one just to show you how it looks. So this one is, the way it's packed. I just extended the leaves, so it has 4 leaves that you can quickly extend. I like that it has aluminum and really quality materials, and heat dissipation is really good. Also, it withstands hot and cold temperatures. So I'm going to quickly show you how it looks in my basement. At this corner specifically, there isn't much light, so I'm going to quickly show you how it looks after I install it up there. Just give me a moment. So I just installed the lights. See, all of the 4 leaves are shining bright. The installation is super quick and easy. You don't need any tools. That's what I love about these lamps. And you also can check how much light now there is compared to that corner. This corner is super bright, so I really recommend those lights. These are going to save your life if you're working in some really hazardous conditions. Thank you for watching.